Hi, I'm Jim Elser, Sweet Smoke Q. Today we're going to smoke a Boston pork butt. Mix some injection for this pork butt. We use this Q juice for pork. The mixture is 1 part of the Q juice to 2 parts apple juice. Mix it up. I'm going to trim some of this extra fat off we don't really need so we can get the rub to penetrate the meat. Once we have it trimmed up, we're going to put some of this injection in there. We're going to get that flavor deep down in that meat. You want to put as much in there as possible. The meat's only going to hold as much as it can take. This rub right here is a all-purpose. It's a saltier rub. There's some paprika in there, some salt, some sugar, pepper, cumin, and some other secret spices. The second rub I'm going to put on this is a sweeter rub. It's mainly sugar, some salt, some garlic, some onion. Put that over top the all-purpose. Once we finish applying the rub, we're going to put it in the smoker at 215. It's been on there for 2 hours at 215. We're going to bump it up to 250 for another 3 to 4 hours till the internal temperature reaches 165. Once it's hit 165 around there, we're going to wrap it. There's a reason that I cook in a pan. I'm saving all this nice juice in here. I'm going to make sure this is tight. You want to keep all the moisture in there. This pork should be around 200. Check it. Probe slides in real easy, so we're going to pull it off and let it rest for an hour. Once we pull it from the smoker, you want to remove the foil. You want to stop it from cooking. If you leave the foil on, it's going to continue to cook. Remove the foil and let it sit for an hour. So we're going to pull it. Here's a tip. It's still going to be pretty hot. You don't want to burn your hands. Get some cotton gloves with some rubber gloves. It'll save your hands from getting pretty hot. And it should come off the bone real easy. Go through here and take all the fat out. See how moist that is? Very tender. The meat around the bone is a little more flavorful than the rest of it. We'll add a little more seasoning on there, and we'll go for the barbecue sauce. There you have just simple pulled pork. Real easy to do, takes a little bit of time, but look at that. Some phenomenal pulled pork.